In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot's blog help feature effectively. Navigating software tools can often be a challenge, especially when you're trying to make the most out of them to enhance your business operations. But don't worry, I'm here to provide a clear and easy path through this process. First, let's start by accessing the HubSpot User Guide. This is your go-to resource for detailed information. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to the HubSpot User Guide page. This guide is specifically designed to help users like you understand all the nuances of HubSpot's features. By engaging with this comprehensive resource, you'll be able to find intricate details and instructions about the entire platform. Once you're on the HubSpot User Guide page, your next move is to click on the Help section. You'll find this option typically located in the top navigation menu or as part of the main dashboard interface. Clicking on the Help section will provide you with quick access to all sorts of valuable support tools. This feature is incredibly useful for getting prompt assistance or clarification on things that might seem a bit confusing. After you've accessed the Help section, look for the Ask Questions feature. This is a fantastic functionality that allows you to directly type in your inquiries about anything HubSpot related. The system is designed to recognize keywords and direct you to the most relevant answers or guides based on your question. What makes this feature handy is its ability to save you time searching for answers, putting the information you need right at your fingertips. Once you've familiarized yourself with asking questions, it's time to engage in a more interactive form of support. Click on the option labeled Start a Chat. This will connect you either with an automated assistant or a support representative from HubSpot. This chat feature is particularly helpful if you have specific questions or issues that require more personalized support. Remember, your goal here is to gather as much information as possible to ensure that you're maximizing your use of HubSpot's robust blog tools. Remember, utilizing these resources not only makes your day-to-day tasks easier, but also strengthens your overall understanding of the HubSpot platform. With a bit of practice and exploration, you'll find yourself navigating HubSpot with increased confidence and efficiency. By following these steps, you're well on your way to becoming proficient with HubSpot's blog help feature, creating a smoother and more productive user experience. Thanks for watching today's guide. Be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using HubSpot effectively.